Welcome back to the Average Mike Show. This is episode 4 of the quad giveaway build.
Quad giveaway build.
Yeah, this episode I'm going to show you how to change out the brake lever and accelerator lever, and I'm going to run a wire from the voltage regulator to the battery. Yeah, my wife took it out somewhere recently, and that was kind of embarrassing, because the battery died as soon as it got off the truck. Alright, now that we got that off, now it's time to get the work on taking the brake and the accelerator assembly apart.
Ew.
What? Phillips said screwdriver? Hey, come on. Why are you video blocking me? Boy.
It's supposed to be here. What is?
Alright, that went a little bit smoother than I was expecting. That's off. Alright, now what you're gonna do to get these cables out is you're gonna... Oh, come on.
Come on.
Maybe I should have done this with a pair of pliers. I'll put that down here for now. You need to turn these so this hole here lines up with this slot here. That's slotted all the way through on this brake slack adjustment bolt. I think that's what that's called. If not, it is now. There we go. Now that all that's lined up straight, I don't know how well you can see that, but you're gonna pull the cable off.
One more time. One more time. One more time.
And there you go. That cable's out. Just pop it the rest of the way.
Yes.
Okay, that's one. And it is out. There we go. Now I still got to do the accelerator cable, which is this in here. I'm going to take a break though. Oh hey, don't hit that skip button. Yeah, just want to take this moment to show you my first ever Android video game. It's called Shopping Cart Madness. I don't know if you can see it that well from there. Oh man, I'm still getting some glare from over there. So yeah, basically you're sitting in a shopping cart, a gas-powered shopping cart, riding up a beach, collecting beer bottles and trying to avoid big tires, mailboxes, fire hydrants, parking meters, and other various objects that, yeah, if you were to hit with a shopping cart, you'd have a really bad day. Let's see if we can play it up. Different speed levels. Yeah, because I'm kind of doing this backwards, I'll do it on 2. Yeah, just tap the screen to go to make a move from one side to the other. Oh, I already hit something. Yeah, the guy face plants in the windshield of a bus. Kind of a violent game over screen. I also got to give a shout out to my guys at GameProfits.co, because without them, I probably would have tossed my computer against the wall. So if you got a video game that you want to put out, be sure to get a hold of them guys if you're an amateur like me. If you guys could get me to 100,000 downloads, that would really be appreciated. I'll build one of these gas-powered shopping carts on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. And to one of my subscribers. So yeah, definitely check out my YouTube channel too. It's right about here. And don't forget Game Profit CO. Here it is. Yeah. Now back to the show. Already in progress. Alright, you loosen up these screws here. Yeah, this accelerator, lever, and all that stuff just wasn't working right. It would turn the engine off if you close it. If you just let it close itself, it would turn the engine off. So yeah, pretty good indication stuff's starting to wear down in here. Of course, this time I'm recording, so it's got to be a pain. Alright, there's the whole old brake assembly. Well, brake lever assembly. And just for good measures, I'll put the screws back in just in case I need any of this stuff when I'm building the other quad. You never know. Hang that one there. But make sure you catch that slot. That's what that's for. And you just turn these just a little bit. You can adjust the brakes afterwards. Now I'll hang this back onto the handlebar. Loosen this up. Put this down here for now. we'll go and put this back together, and that's about it. Brake works. Okay. Not too tight to where I'm going to go flying over the handlebars when I'm riding too fast. Alright, if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. It's over here somewhere, I think. Yeah, or you can click on that smiley face with some broken teeth. Down over here. There it is. Yeah, right there. Yep. Yeah, go ahead and click on that.
But are you gonna see?
Like the video, mash that thumbs up button for me. Actually, I keep forgetting to tell you, hit that share button. Very important. Yeah. You got any suggestions, anything you want to see in some future videos, you go ahead and leave that in the comments. I do read them. And until next time, thanks for rolling with Average Mike.